So this is a 2019 Toyota Tundra. Got the new cabin air filter here. I went with the Bosch. It says it's a HEPA filter, so I don't know if the OEM one is. So if you're installing the filter, you got to make sure that the airflow arrows go down and the writing goes up. So it's going to go right in here in the glove box, because the air comes from between the hood out there and the windshield, comes down through this filter and into some sort of blower motor down there, and then out to all your vents and everything like that. So I'm gonna pop this sucker open, get rid of all my original lease paperwork. Now that I bought this sucker, you're gonna push this up and it kind of snags, but you just keep going. And then this one I'm gonna try to push up as well. Okay, that one you just kind of gotta force it. Did I break anything? No, it's just these little push tabs, so you just kind of gotta go for it. Okay, now that that's out, inside here, slide up and remove. So I'm gonna slide this up and pull it out. So that's easy enough. I'm gonna leave it like this so I can just flip it up when I'm done. These are the side clips. Push that one in, pull it out. Feel a little weather seal on this one. And I'm gonna try not to mess it up too much. All right, now this is why I made this video, because everyone's confused about arrows in the comments, and I started to second guess myself. There's arrows here going down, there's arrows there going up. What do I do? Well, this is because it's an OEM filter, they're telling you which way to install it. So you can see how the writing is correct orientation, right side up. That's what matters. On this arrow is for the airflow, so the arrows go down, because the air, like I said, comes in through this hood vent, goes down through this filter and down to the blower. So that's the airflow direction. Really confusing. Whole reason why I'm making the video. Ooh, this is gross. This is after 2.5 years and 20,000 miles. So I got the filter unwrapped. Yeah. And I push it in. Grab this sucker. It says up. This arrow I'm putting up because it's not airflow. It doesn't say airflow, it just says up. Arrows up. And I'm making sure that's in there real good. Figured it out. So this side tab has to go behind, and then you snag that. You pop this back until this side hits, and then you slide down. Feels pretty good. Pop this sucker back in. Kind of tip it back. I'm going to do it the same way it came out. So I'm going to do left side, right side. And then you just, most important step, cram all your old paperwork back in there. Just make sure you don't organize it, you don't go through it, you just jam it all back in there like this has never been needed to be organized. And then, perfect. And we're done. Fire up the car. I'll leave it on fresh, I guess. Oh yeah, I can definitely smell the HEPA difference. I made that up. I just have an air freshener. But anyways, that's it for the video. This should be just an update. Everything's running really good. If I crank it up to max, it still spits out a lot of air. It does pretty good. I was worried that the HEPA filter would be too strong or too not too strong, too thick for the air to get through, but it's actually working really well. So this is awesome. No issues, and it was a lot cheaper than the dealer for I think it was $15 and some change on Amazon for the Bosch filter. Really a lot better than $90, $100 that people say that dealer charges them for parts and labor. And that's it. This video should be the same on like the last 10 years of these Tundras, 2010 to 2020. I don't know, maybe give or take a year. But a lot of these parts are the same because the truck is so old. So that's it. Thanks for watching.